In 2013, Elon Musk presented a bold vision, the Hyperloop. This wasn't just another transportation idea, it was a revolutionary concept that promised to change the way we think about travel forever. This futuristic transportation system, utilizing pods traveling at incredible speeds through near-vacuum tubes, promised to revolutionize travel. Imagine a world where you could travel from Los Angeles to San Francisco in just 30 minutes, or from New York to Washington, D.C. in under an hour. Imagine crossing continents in hours, cities connected like never before. The possibilities seemed endless. The Hyperloop could potentially reduce travel times drastically, making it possible to live in one city and work in another, without the long commutes we are accustomed to today. The world watched with anticipation, eager for a glimpse of this high-speed future. Conferences and demonstrations drew large crowds, all curious to see if this ambitious project could truly come to life. The excitement was palpable as people envisioned a future where travel was not just faster, but also more efficient and environmentally friendly. Musk, known for ambitious ventures like Tesla and SpaceX, ignited excitement around the Hyperloop. His track record of turning seemingly impossible ideas into reality gave people hope that the Hyperloop could indeed become a part of our everyday lives. He challenged the world to build it, sparking a wave of innovation and investment. Engineers, scientists, and investors from around the globe began to collaborate, each bringing their unique expertise to the table. The race was on to see who could develop the most efficient and effective Hyperloop system. Startups and universities alike joined the race, eager to turn this science fiction dream into reality. Research teams tested various prototypes, while startups brainstormed innovative designs. The collaborative effort was unprecedented, with everyone working towards a common goal: to make high-speed, efficient travel accessible to all. The Hyperloop represented not just faster travel, but a potential paradigm shift in transportation and global connectivity. It promised to bring people closer together, reduce our carbon footprint, and create a more interconnected world. As we stand on the brink of this new era of speed, the future of travel looks more exciting than ever. Despite initial enthusiasm, the Hyperloop faced significant hurdles in the United States. Initially hailed as a revolutionary mode of transportation, the Hyperloop promised to drastically cut travel times and transform the way people and goods moved across the country. However, the reality of bringing this ambitious vision to life proved far more challenging than anticipated. Technical challenges proved daunting, from maintaining near-vacuum conditions within lengthy tubes to ensuring passenger safety at such high speeds. Engineers had to grapple with the complexities of creating a system that could safely transport passengers at speeds exceeding 700 miles per hour. The technology required to achieve and maintain these conditions was not only cutting-edge but also untested on such a large scale. The sheer scale and cost of construction presented major obstacles, requiring substantial investment in complex infrastructure. Building the extensive network of tubes and stations necessary for a functional Hyperloop system demanded billions of dollars in funding. This financial burden was compounded by the need for specialized construction techniques and materials, further driving up costs. Regulatory hurdles added further complexity. Navigating the intricate web of federal, state, and local regulations was a monumental task. Each level of government had its own set of rules and requirements, often leading to delays and increased costs. The lack of a unified regulatory framework for this new mode of transportation created significant uncertainty for developers. Navigating land rights, environmental impact assessments, and safety regulations proved a lengthy and expensive process. Securing the necessary land for the Hyperloop routes involved negotiating with numerous landowners and addressing environmental concerns. Each proposed route had to undergo rigorous environmental impact assessments to ensure compliance with environmental protection laws, adding further delays and costs. The lack of a clear regulatory framework for this entirely new mode of transportation created uncertainty and slowed progress. Developers faced a maze of legal and bureaucratic challenges, with no established guidelines to follow. This uncertainty made it difficult to secure the necessary permits and approvals, further stalling the project. While some test tracks were built, a fully functional Hyperloop system remained elusive in the US. Despite the construction of several test tracks and the development of prototype systems, the dream of a nationwide Hyperloop network has yet to be realized. The combination of technical, financial, regulatory, and environmental challenges has made it clear that the road to achieving the Hyperloop vision is a long and difficult one. While the Hyperloop faced challenges in the West, a new player emerged on the scene, China. Known for its rapid infrastructure development and technological ambition, China saw an opportunity in the Hyperloop's potential. The country's vast size and dense population made high-speed transportation a national priority. China's interest was not merely opportunistic. The country recognized the strategic importance of mastering this technology. A successful Hyperloop network could enhance economic competitiveness, connect remote regions, and solidify China's position as a global leader in innovation. With characteristic determination, China embarked on its own Hyperloop journey. China's foray into high-speed transportation began long before the Hyperloop. The country had already made significant strides in Maglev technology, levitating trains above tracks using powerful magnets. This experience provided a strong foundation for tackling the Hyperloop's challenges. China's investment in Maglev lines, including the world's fastest operating commercial Maglev train in Shanghai, demonstrated its commitment to advanced transportation. This experience provided valuable knowledge in areas like magnetic levitation, propulsion systems, and high-speed infrastructure development, directly applicable to the Hyperloop. Section 5. Taming the tube. Recognizing the technical hurdles faced by the Hyperloop, China focused on key innovations. One area of focus was developing advanced vacuum technology to create and maintain the near-vacuum conditions within the tubes, crucial for achieving high speeds and energy efficiency. Chinese researchers also made strides in magnetic levitation and propulsion systems, exploring new materials and designs to enhance efficiency and stability at high speeds. These innovations aimed to address some of the core technical challenges that had hampered Hyperloop development elsewhere. Section 6. Public push, private innovation. China's Hyperloop advancement benefited from a unique synergy between government support and private sector dynamism. The government, recognizing the strategic importance of the technology, provided funding, policy support, and a favorable regulatory environment. This supportive ecosystem fostered a thriving private sector, with numerous startups and tech giants investing heavily in Hyperloop research and development. This collaboration created a fertile ground for innovation, allowing China to rapidly iterate and refine its approach to Hyperloop technology. Section 7. A global race, led by China. As of 2025, China has emerged as a frontrunner in the global Hyperloop race. This futuristic mode of transportation, which promises to revolutionize travel with its high-speed capabilities, has seen significant advancements in China. The country has not only embraced the concept, but has also taken substantial steps to bring it to reality. While projects in other countries remain largely in the testing phase, China has made significant progress in developing a functional Hyperloop system. The nation has invested heavily in research and development, ensuring that their Hyperloop technology is not just theoretical, but practical and implementable. This dedication has set China apart from its global counterparts. Test tracks have been constructed, and plans for commercial lines are underway. These test tracks are not just for show, they are fully operational and serve as a proving ground for the technology. The construction of these tracks demonstrates China's commitment to making Hyperloop a viable mode of transportation for the masses. This rapid advancement is a testament to China's focused approach, combining government backing, private sector innovation, and a willingness to invest heavily in cutting-edge technology. The Chinese government has provided substantial support, recognizing the potential of Hyperloop to transform the transportation sector. Meanwhile, the private sector has also played a crucial role, bringing in innovation and expertise to push the boundaries of what is possible. China's emergence as a leader in the Hyperloop space has shifted the global landscape, prompting renewed interest and investment worldwide. Other countries are now looking to China as a model for how to develop and implement Hyperloop technology. This global interest has led to increased collaboration and investment, with many nations eager to catch up and join the race. China's leadership in this field is not just about technology, it's about setting a new standard for innovation and progress in transportation. Section 8. The future of connectivity. The potential impact of China's Hyperloop ambitions extends far beyond its borders. A fully realized Hyperloop network could reshape global transportation, connecting cities and continents with unprecedented speed and efficiency. Imagine traveling from Beijing to Paris in a matter of hours, or connecting remote regions of China to its bustling megacities. The Hyperloop could revolutionize trade, tourism, and cultural exchange, fostering closer ties between nations and unlocking new economic opportunities. Section 9. A world transformed. The Hyperloop, once a futuristic concept, is rapidly becoming a reality, driven by China's relentless pursuit of technological advancement. As the world watches, China's efforts hold the potential to transform global transportation, ushering in an era of unprecedented connectivity and speed. The journey towards this future is still underway, but China's commitment to innovation and its unique approach to technological development position it at the forefront of this revolution. The Hyperloop, once a dream, is now within reach, promising to reshape our world in profound ways.